Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do some Opal Nails and this will be take one because I am going to have to revisit this. I'm using Low and Away as my base coat today. Well, I've got Nailtiques on too, but this is my base coat. So I really should have stuck with this. Yeah, I'll get to it. So this is Essie and it's an old one. It's called Marshmallow and it's kind of like a jelly white, but it's a little more opaque, so I think this is where my manicure started going wrong. I don't know. There's so many points during this manicure that if I'd have just stopped, I'd have been okay. But in the end, I mean, you know, my nails were painted, I had a manicure, all that, but it didn't turn out like I wanted it to. So we will revisit. I'm going to top this with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Now I can tell you, this is the most layered up manicure that I've done in a very long time. My nails were thick. I'm telling y'all, by the time I got done with this, they were thick. You'd have thought I had on acrylics or something. I'm telling you. So here's a picture of Marshmallow on its own. Here we go with Color Club, and this one is, oh, I can't remember, Covered in Diamonds or something. I'm going to use a little sponge to apply this to the nail. And this is part of what went wrong with this manicure. Some of these little iridescent flakies didn't lay flat, so it made the nails even chunkier. I'm going to pop in with a piece of tape and remove some of that excess flakiness from around my digits. I'm trying to smush everything down to make it flat. And there we go. Next I've got this Sally Hansen Extreme Wear called Disco Ball. That's a pretty polish too. So I'm going to put a layer of that on here too. So I don't know how many layers we're on. I guess I should have been counting. Getting crazy. Next I'm going to go with this 1001 polish. This is Coconut Bliss. This is a super old one. I'm pretty sure that this company is no longer selling polishes. Now, you can still see it's looking pretty opal there. Maybe should have just left it alone, but no, I want to use these three that are also super old from Starlight Polish. This one's Unicorn, and it flashes from blue to green. And then we got Phoenix, which is like orange. And then this last one is Dragon, and it's green and like yellow. So there we go. So I'm just going to put a thin layer of each one of these on the nails. Now in real life, I could totally see the changes that these toppers gave to this manicure. But I end up ruining it, you know, because I've got to go over it. Too much is too much. Alright, since everything's kind of thick and chunky, I'm using my Jealous top coat. It's a thick glitter feeding top coat. It'll help fill in those gaps. And there you go. Look, you can already tell it now getting thick. Yes, Lord. And hi, Woody. How you doing? Gotta get that glob out from under my stupid nail. So here we go. We're going to keep on cleaning up. There we go. Alright, then I'm going to go in with another coat of the Coconut Bliss, because I'm trying to layer it and make it look opal-y, right? Y'all should have left this alone. So, hi Woody again. There we go. Alright, so I think I'm done. I'm going to top it with the Poshe top coat. And I'm really kind of thinking, okay, I'm over this manicure. I'm over it. But I didn't have time to really do anything else. So, I wear it like this for a day. And I'm still not loving it. So I decided to break out Maniology M029. I can't remember the name of it. My Monocle stamper and On the Black from Bases Loaded. And yeah, it's getting real low, y'all. I'm having to turn it upside down to get some out. But y'all know I try to suck the bottom out of these bottles. I try to get to the very itty bitty bones of it. Just get to the end of it. And so I stamped this image on them. And that's what I got to wear for the rest of the week. The stamping kind of made me like it a little bit more, but not totally. So I'm hopping in with some piece of tape, getting some of this stamping polish or polish off of my fingers. There we go. And now we're going to break out the acetone and my cleanup brush and just clean this up just a little bit more. And another thing too is I did smudge, my no smudge free top coat didn't do real good on this one. I mean, it did okay, but on my pinky nail, and it just, you know, whatever. So here we go with the smudge free top coat. And I don't really see it real bad. I mean, I see something on the pinky. But anyway, we're going to top it all off with some Poshe top coat, and we're going to rock this manicure for a few days. So until we get another chance to, you know, do some more playing. So that is it. You will see me revisit this. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.